entrar no VC10, eu e Rui. Opa! Aqui na base aérea de São Paulo. Aí dá uma olhada pelo lado de fora dele, ó. Avião abastecedor, que deve estar indo para as Malvinas. Ah, dentro não pode, né? So, I have a friend here from British?
From Scotland.
Scotland?
Scotland, yeah.
Oh, good.
So start off this panel, just general electrics, fuel control, engines, anti-icing, but these are the main ones. We've got our pod for refueling in the air.
Yeah.
So we've got the main one, which is the big one in the middle at the back, and we've got two wing ones to refuel all the small airplanes. That's pretty much it. We've got a camera as well, aircrew can watch. Because that's the pod there, so aircrew can watch as they're refueling. And then over on this side we've just got all the avionics, navigation, compasses, weather radar, and some radios.
Oh, nice. So you need at least 4 crew members.
There's 4. We have a captain and a co-pilot, air engineer who controls the throttles and the air refueling. And then we have our navigator who sits here.
Oh, great.
So that's 4.
So this guy here, so he does the trimming on the...
Yeah, he trims it all. We use the fuel to trim as well. Fuel helps us trim from our fin tank down to the centre. That's one way of trimming it. And obviously he just controls the throttles as well. And keeps everything nice and fuel efficient as possible.
This plane's very fast, man.
When we were allowed passengers, it was the fastest passenger airliner after Concorde.
Yeah.
But we can't,
right?
we can't go as fast anymore because it's getting old, so we've got to cut the speed a little bit. So
it will be replaced by the Airbus A320.
Sadly. Yeah, a lot of my friends are training on them already. So I'll show you outside now if you like.
Okay, sure. Galleys.
Yep, one galley in this one, this mark.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
I'll go straight to the pods.
Alright.
This is our refueling pod.
A gente vai ver aqui o pod de reabastecimento em voo.
That just generates air pressure, helps with the fuel pressure.
Yeah. Oh.
That's just the insides of that. We actually wind it with a handle. We can wind it in and out on the ground.
So
this is the main part of it. This comes out, the basket flares to make sure it's steady in the air. When the aircrew, when the small fighter jet's ready, you'll get amber lights, then green lights, and that means they can probe in. And so when it's on red, they can't go near it. But once those lights go to green, they're allowed to connect in and take fuel out. On this, we can only use small airplanes like Eurofighter, F-16s, things like those. We can refuel them from that. But we have got another one in the middle on this type of aircraft.
It's a Rolls Royce model?
Rolls Royce Conways.
Conway.
We're pretty old now. We've got another refueling point here. This is a lot bigger than all electrically operated, whereas that's all mechanical. This one's for refueling things like the Hercules C-130s.
Oh,
and,
big planes.
Yeah, and we can also, this basket is only for the Hercules, but we can also refuel another one of these.
Yeah, I know.
Well. So we can refuel another VC-10. We've got another pod on this side, so we can actually refuel 2 fighter jets at the same time. But we can't use that if we're using them. We can only refuel in the centre or the wings.
Aí ele falou que o motor é velho mesmo. Aí. Só aviões e músicas para trazer para vocês assim, de pertinho, né? Coisas raras. Coisa que eu não sabia, essa hélice aqui, ela gera... É um gerador para gerar pressão para o combustível que vai sair na mangueira para abastecer o outro avião em voo. Bem legal. É uma senhora asa, que é uma área de asa gigantesca. Os caras já estão preparando o avião, vai sair daqui a pouco, vai decolar às 18h15.
2 years it'll be in a museum.
Yeah, that's why we are filming now, you know. It's I miss these old airplanes, man. Not for work, I know it's a lot of work, but yeah.
Good aircraft. This is the newest one we've got, isn't it?
Yeah, K4 newest. We've
Are we
got
going
a lot
to-
of older ones.
Are we going to Falkland?
We've come back to Falklands today,
Yeah.
So we've got general aircraft things. We've got our refrigeration packs, which are just in the wing route, so that's the intake and exhaust for them.
Oh, all right.
All our static, for all obviously our air instrumentation and PO, stall probes, air refueler probe on the very front as well, so that's where we would plug into the back of another one of these to refuel. That's generally it on the unique things, because everything else is, your standard aircraft things like temperature bulbs, PO, static, wind vanes, markets.
All right. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a lovely